Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and I think this video is going to be an unboxing one. If this is the right album that I'm waiting for, the JJ Project album, then this video will be an unboxing, but if not, it will just be a tiny haul. But I think that this is the JJ Project album, so let's open it. Like, koreanmall changed their what do you call this, shipping thingy? Yeah, that's whatever you call this, but yeah, they changed it. It's not in the box. You know what? Let's cut this. So I'm afraid that I might cut something inside. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Trying to like not rip the bubble wrap because I'm trying to save bubble wrap. But oh well, I think I already ripped it. I'm so sorry if my this thing is taking too long, but just bear with me. Here we go. So here's one of their events thingy. I pre-ordered this, so that's why it has the photo essay. I'm so gonna put this on my wall. Like, look at that, so perfect. Let me just adjust the camera. Look, it's so big. So big. Like, there you go. Ha. Ha. That probably gave you a headache, but I'm sorry. So now for this one, I'm so excited for the photo cards, and yes, I'll be collecting the photo cards of this album. I don't usually do unboxings because like I just don't. Ooh, okay, I'm removing it. Save that for later. So here we go. Let me just put the scissors away. Oh, how cute. I got JB. Do you get random of this? Like this, random? I don't know, I'm confused. I haven't watched any unboxings, so I really don't know. So there we go. I can't really see Jin Young's face here. Right there. Ooh, whose feet is this? Jin Young. Out of topic, but have you guys heard Jessica's new song? If not, you should really go check it out. Like, it's beautiful. But back to this. Jin Young, why are you so adorable? J-Boom. I just love these pictures already. Like, they look so perfect. I saw this picture on Facebook, and like people are editing it with like Jin Young, with Jin Young's picture, and they look so real. I'm sorry if the lighting isn't that good. I'm just using my bedroom light and like the light from the window. It's like 5 o'clock already, so, and it's cloudy, so the light isn't, that good, but please bear with me. I'm not an expert at unboxing. There's J-Bum. Like, I'm not talking that much just because I'm just like staring at these pictures. Oh, look at this picture. Yeah, you can hear my dog in the background. These pictures look so amazing, and I love how like it's black and white. I'm sorry if I bumped the camera. I like how they included this picture. Oops. I'm just enjoying these pictures. They look so amazing. It's getting hard to hold now. J-Bum. Okay, I'm having a hard time now. The struggle is real. I was literally so excited when I heard the news that they were going to make a comeback. Just making sure I didn't skip a page. Their thanks too. Here's the CD. I can just get it out. There you go. Is it me or is the CD that thick? But here is this part. So that is that. Photo card time. So the transparent one, I got Jin Young. And yes, I'll be collecting the photo cards. I got Jin Young. I got JB's baby picture. Oh my gosh, she looks so adorable. And then this big one. I'm going to check the photo essay. Oh, what's this? It was in here earlier. Oh, okay. This looks amazing. I got Jin Young. And now for the photo essay. As I said before, I have not watched any unboxing, so I don't know which is which, and I don't know what this is. There we go, I had to adjust my camera, but here we are. First two. There's Jin Young, there's JB. Focus, please. There we go. By JB, by Jin Young. So these are just like extra pictures. Oh gosh. Okay, I thought that my camera was blurry, but apparently this picture is blurry. And it's by JB. Just adjust this real quick. There we go. These pictures look good though. If only I can understand Korean, but still learning. There's good Korean stuff here, but I can't understand, so wee. Oh, I love this picture. So these are the photo essays, just basically photos taken by JB and Jin Young. So this side is like pictures taken by JB, and this is the side for pictures that Jin Young took. Struggle. Oh, I love this picture and this too. So that is my unboxing of JJ Project's first two. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am sorry if this unboxing wasn't perfect. I am just new at unboxings. As I've said earlier, I don't really do unboxings. I mostly do hauls. So I still hope that you enjoyed. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Bye guys!